So ayan na yung snowman namin mga par. Ayan na. Maliit lang po. Pula yung mata oh. Wala kasi kami mahanap na ano eh.
Ah, it's a goal!
Ito yung drawing na. Ayan. Yeah. Dos Davao del Sur nandito. Oh, Canada!
Guys,
Say hi to the vlog.
hi. We're building a snowman.
Yeah.
It's my first time building a snowman. I tried to build a snowman at school. It didn't work. Yeah, because I made a big giant ball, and it's like the body, and I make a small snowball. And when I put the small snowball on top of the big one, it just tilted and fall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna. I hope we can make a good one.
Yeah.
It's cold, right? Yeah.
Whoa. It's not that windy.
So you're gonna build a snowman or what?
We're gonna build a snowman.
Okay. Let's go.
What? Dad, can we build a snowman right over there?
No, no, outside.
Where your ugly hat?
Yun mga parno, Merry Christmas. Lalabas kami ngayon dahil nagawa kami ng snowman. Itong request na ito matagal na.
I'm so excited. Tita Yanti,
Yeah.
are you jealous?
Okay.
Oh, Tita Yanti, we're here. When we're here, I'm gonna make a snowman competition. The snowman competition is there's a challenge. The challenge is whoever makes the best snowman wins. So I'm the judge because I'm the owner of the game.
Okay. So yun, sakto naman mga parno, makapal ang yelo, yung snow, yun o. Kapal.
Blue snow over there. There's blue.
Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Oh. There's a lot of bird here. So yun. Negative 6 lang mga parno, yung
Negative
temperature.
Negative 2 feels like negative
Yeah,
6.
negative 2 feels like negative 6.
And the wind temperature is 8.
So doon kami pupwesto mga para sa ano. Doon sa may malaking ano. Doon tayo hindi sa may playground no. Yung sa may playground na yun.
Yes.
Ito sa gilid. Pwesto kami doon.
Be careful.
Yeah, careful. Suot natin yung ating winter boots.
Yeah.
So ayan. Si nanay hindi sumama kasi
Malamig.
Kasi?
Maarte nanay.
malamig.
Maarte. Also, Tita Jean is maarte.
Yeah. Press it.
Guys, where to build the snowman? Right over there.
There.
Yeah,
Yung kami pupwesto mga par. May playground na yan ni maliit ah.
Tay,
Yeah.
Tay, remember? Nanay told the snowman let me right over there when we are going to the
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. So, ayan.
Dirty
Medyo
snow.
mahangin lang mga par no?
Guys, look, dirty snow.
No, dirty snow yan.
Yeah.
Medyo mahangin lang mga par. Siguro hindi naman kami magtatagal dito. Let's go yun.
Ew, why
Pagka
did I step
hindi na kaya, Uwi na kami.
Oh my!
Get there.
What in the happy world are you doing, Tay?
Oh,
Tay, I cannot walk any faster.
yeah.
It's so deep.
Slow down.
It's a little bit deep. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, God. Help me. Why? What?
Oh. Alam mo, may nagpi-play dito, may mga color.
Yeah, I think they put food coloring.
Oh, yeah? May nagpo-color mga paro. Ano yan? Dash what? I don't know. So where we gonna... Yeah, come on.
Oh, right over there.
Here.
Over here. Over here. This is more space.
Is this a good spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's make a giant ball first.
Wait lang. I have to wear my...
Glove.
Yeah. Careful. So yun, nandito na kami sa spot mga par. Lalagay lang natin tong ating mga gamit. Susuot natin yung ating ating mga gloves. Yung ating gloves kasi malamig. And,
I see his camera over there.
so ito yung namin mga paro. Ito yung aming papel, dinrowing din to ni Inday, oh. Yan, ito yung susundin namin. May dala na rin kaming carrots. Tsaka yung mga mga parto. Yung mga lalagay namin dito yung parang satyan yan. So wala kaming mahanap na black button eh. Pero yung may dala kami dyan na kunwari lang. Tapos maghanap ako ng stick para doon sa kamay. So ayun, gawin na natin ito pa. You have to make the big one, right? The tummy first. Okay. Go there. Okay. You have to make first the body. The body first, right? Right?
Yeah.
Big body.
Big body. Oh yeah, also. That's what I do when I'm
Ito lang mga parang first time ko rin gumawa ng snowman. So parang malambot siya eh. Parang hindi sa tumitigas. Di ko alam kung magagawa ba namin. Pero try natin kung magawa natin mga parang.
Are you done? Here? I'm what three things.
I'll find a stick.
Okay, I'll put on the eyes.
Kaya. Oh, Jeffrey Sadora, shout out. Nagpupo na namin. Wala, nag-snow ulit. So yun. Nag-snow na mga parto. Hanggang malakas na yung snow. Kanina paglabas namin walang snow eh. Gahanap lang ako ng stick. Dito. Ay, tigas eh. Kaya pwede. Hanap tayong stick mga par. Yung mga sanga sana dito siguro. Mga sanga na yan. Try natin itong gawing kamay. Yan ang mga paro. Stick. Paano pa tayo iba? Ito. Ay! Dali natin to. Magano? Wala. Ayun. Yan. Tama na to mga par. Meron na tayong nakita oh. Ito. Dali natin doon kay Inday. So what? Okay. Red eyes na. Wala tayong ano eh. Okay. What? We will try this one. Sans.
What will this be? This thing. Die! Die! This will be the hair.
Yeah.
Die! 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 This will be the hair.
Hair?
Yeah, the hair.
Do we need that for hair? Wala namang hair si ano.
Hola! My hair. It's gonna fall down.
Ay, mabigat yan eh. Ito no.
Wah! Nah, we don't need that office.
Yeah. You have to put some small. Only three hair, right?
It looks so funny in the middle.
Ayan.
Oh, yeah, I have an idea. Wah! Put in the middle. It's coming.
So creepy.
Looks like evil snake. Hi. You know last time in the
So yan na yung ano namin mga para. Wala kaming mahanap na black button. Kaya ang ginawa namin, red na lang. Yun yung available eh. Yung lagyan namin ng ano. Yun.
does it
Kina?
look like it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, it's
Not
coming.
bad.
It doesn't look
It's not
like
bad, right?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna take you a picture. Okay?
Wait, let me get my doll.
Yeah, done. Yeah, take you down. So yun mga par. Buti na lang ano. Tumigil yung snow. Ayan o. Ayan. Hindi masyadong maganda pero okay na yan mga par. Snowman na rin yan eh. Ito yung drawing na. Ayan. Ayan yun. Ay, ayos na din. So yun, first time namin ito mga par na gumawa ng snowman.
Doll!
Yan, are we gonna stay here for a while?
Yes. I
Okay.
need a break.
Okay.
I'm gonna play it with my doll.
Play with Jordan. So, stay muna kami ng ilang minuto pa dito mga parna. Tapos mamaya-maya uwi na kami. Tita Jen is watching. Have make a snow angel. Oh!
I don't have a hat. My hair is gonna
Here.
be with a...
Okay.
So it's strong. Okay, fine.
Where are you gonna make a snow angel? There?
No. Wait,
Mag-snow angel daw siya.
here.
Okay.
Am I ready?
Yeah, ready. Wow! Wow! Snow
I
angel!
can do this for 2 hours.
For 2 hours?
Yes.
Ayan na, Tita Jane. Jay Salvador is watching. Matzo, shout out. Kan is watching. Liji Kan, shout out.
Wait.
What? More? Snow angel.
Wait, the snow is hard, so I'm gonna.
Okay, done. Done. Si
I
tatay
wanna
naman.
see.
Si tatay naman ang mag snow angel. Si tatay naman, Inday.
It looks cool.
Can you hold it? Can you hold it?
It looks
And then-
cool. Okay, let me take my hat off. Where's your hat?
So, subukan naman tayo mag-snow angel mga parno.
Haha,
Ayun
you're
naman.
not gonna like it.
Oh.
But I like it the most.
Oh.
Hello, welcome to Heaven the Vlog.
Ay, where's my...
Put yourself. Snow angel right over here. Over here.
Here. Tapos na mga par, mag-snow angel, no? Tulo na yung sipon natin, ah. So mga par, tatambay lang kami ng konti, no? Tapos uwi na kami. Buti na lang, hindi na nag-snow, oh. Kanina, bumuhos yung snow, eh. Ngayon, medyo, konti na lang, mga par, no? Pero nga, nakagawa na kami ng snowman, no? So, yan, si Inday kasi namimilit lagi na, kahapon pa to, na gustong lumabas. Gusto niyang gumawa ng snowman. So, ngayon, nakagawa na. So yun, masaya na to, masaya. And yun nga, ito mga para memories din to, no? Unang winter namin dito sa Canada. And yun, ano pa bang pwede namin gawin? Mag-slide. Hindi ko alam kung saan pwede mag-slide dito mga par, no? Kasi yung iba baka bawal, eh. Dito kasi wala namang tao talaga, oh. So hindi ko alam kung wala rin namang parang bundok dito na may slidean. So, yun mga par, kung may alam kayo na pwede kaming mag-slide, no, na malapit sa Scarborough area mga par. Pwedeng mag-slide. Yun, lalo na kay Mickey Amigo, no? Mickey Amigo. Baka may alam ka par, pwede naming tambayan ngayong winter na pwede mag-slide. Yun, kailangan lang din yata bumili ng parang ano ba yung tawag doon, yung may sakayan na parang balde na langgana pala na pwede ka mag-slide. So titignan namin mga par, kung malapit sa amin and pwede naming puntahan, kasi si Mrs. talaga hindi mo mapilit kasi lamigin. So kami lang ni Inday. Yun, sana magawa rin namin yun mga par, no? And yung mga skiing siguro at saka na yun mga par, kasi yun, malayo dito and syempre may bayad din yun. And tulad namin walang sasakyan mga par, medyo mahirapan pa kami. So yung gagawin muna namin, yung mga nandito lang, yung pwedeng gawin, gaya ng yun, gumawa ng snowman dito, tapat lang namin, eh. Tapos yun, slide sana kung makagawa kami, makapunta kami, yeah? So mga par, uwi na kami. So lilinisin na namin to, no, bago kami umalis. Ayan, take the hands, yeah. Linisin natin to bago umalis. Take the carrots, Inday. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, snowman. We're gonna make you again.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. Take the other, the hair.
The snowman's gonna think, ow! Ow! My hair! Ow! Ow!
Don't put it inside. Okay. Last hair.
I'm gonna try it this time. Woo!
Okay.
Now we're gonna kick it.
Yeah.
Oh! It kicked me back.
Yeah.
It's so hard. I'm gonna kick my head off.
Yeah.
Mr. Hand.
Sorry, snowman.
Sorry. Sorry, Mr. Snowman.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, not yet. It's the most wonderful. Tomorrow we're gonna make a mountain.
We'll try tomorrow.
Yeah, and then the sticks will be the tree.
Okay.
Wait lang tayo.
Okay, done? So, uwi na kami mga par.
Yes. I'm so happy.
You're so happy?
Yeah.
What? You're so happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad,
Yeah.
remember the time when your nanay and you and nanay were picking me up from daycare and
Yeah.
from the parent-teacher interview? Remember?
Yeah.
I made a tree mountain with a tree on top.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
It was
So,
so
doon kami mga
fun.
par.
Yeah, we went here to there.
25 ngayon mga par. Christmas Day, no? So, yun. Ito lang yung banding. Malapit lang, no? Sa tapat lang namin. Yan, masaya naman kami. Inday, masaya naman. Uwi na kami. Siguro sa susunod, slide naman, yung slide naman susubukan namin. Pag may malapit dito. Pag malayo, hindi na natin ano yung mga parno kasi malamig talaga. Siyempre,
Tay!
magbabas tayo.
The whole, why is the whole sky white?
I don't know. I don't really know. So, ayan. Medyo hapon na rin mga par. Kailangan natin umuwi kasi mag-ano pa tayo. Gahanda pa tayo ng ating hapunan. Ano yung mga tira-tirang pagkain.
Go!
Tira-tirang pagkain natin, yun na yun. Sasaing na lang mga par, no? So, ang importante masaya si Inday. Yun. Masaya rin tayo. Pag-banding rin kami na sa snow kasi
Hi, mailbox.
kaya
Mailbox.
okay. Na-enjoy rin namin yung winter.
Yeah, because guys, when we go to the mailbox every time, it shows nothing in there.
Yeah.
So this is the last chance.
Okay. So, yun mga par. Pasok na kami sa bahay. So, ayun mga par, siguro dito na namin tatapusin namin vlog, ang aming winter vlog o snowman vlog.
Yeah.
Diba?
You should call it Snowman Vlog Buhay Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yun, snowman vlog buhay Canada daw mga par, no? Sabi ni Inday. So yun, nag-enjoy kami mga par, no? So Merry Christmas sa lahat. And to God be all the glory. Maraming salamat. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye!